Hey guys, welcome to another video of the testers. Today we're testing out our quad and these hand warmers that go around the handles of the bike.
Now this is a Honda 250EX, TRX, I'm sorry, and it's a semi-automatic. We figured in the snow and this blizzard we can have some fun. John, you want to start her up?
Sure. Alright, so it comes with two pairs of keys just in case you lose one. So now you're going to have to inside. There's a quick start, and then you want to inside. You have to bring it up so it don't freeze again. Alright, it's all warmed up.
Helmet on.
Alright.
Good. Relax. There we go. Good. Alright guys, so we just got back from our little ride. It was very, very cold since it is a blizzard out and it's like 20 degrees and we got about a foot of snow. We're out here testing this cool quad that John has just because there's nobody on the road and it was pretty safe, so we just went down the block and came back. Like we said before, it's a 250 TRX. Really cool machine. It's a semi-automatic, meaning you don't have to hold down the clutch, but you still have to shift the gears, which is really cool for John to learn how to switch gears. I give it a big thumbs up. We have a lot of fun on this thing, and I definitely recommend it to anyone looking to buy a quad. Well, that's our episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
Don't forget to follow me on Musical.ly. My account is The Testers, and on Roblox, it is Wolfboy11.
See you guys later.